What's up everyone, my name is Johevis from the Sephora in Miami, Florida, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to create a cat-eyed smoky eye using just cream products. So stay locked in if you want to learn more tips and tricks with me. So I've already prepped and completed my complexion, and we're going to start off priming our eyes for our smoky eye. So to begin with, we're going to start off with the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Pro Filter Amplifying Eye Primer. This primer is weightless, hydrating, extends the wear of any creams or shadow products, and enhances all the colors. This product is an essential first step to any eye look, and it can also prevent any creasing or oiliness if you just wear concealer on top for a more natural and even skin tone on the lid. You can use this product with your fingers, synthetic brush, or beauty blender. So up next, we're going to be using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in color Vanilla to neutralize my eyelid and to give me an even skin tone color. Using my damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend out the product on my entire eyelid and make sure that everything's nice and even. Up next, we're going to use the Makeup Forever Aqua XL Color Paint Shadow in M56 Matte Taupe. We're going to start building color little by little using brush number 15 on the entire lid and blending it out with brush number 31. I'm doing a V upward motion to open up my eye and give me more of a cat eye effect. It's a creamy consistency that also dries down but doesn't dehydrate the eye area. So once again, I'll be using brush number 15 to lay down the product on my lids and then blending it with number 31. This is essential for creating the perfect smoky eye and giving you that perfect cat eye look. This product is also great to use as liner, shadow, brows, and also to create false freckles. So whatever goes up, I say must come down. Just use whatever is left off on your brush and apply it on the bottom lash line to give it a more full and complete effect. It's always important to check your symmetry. Always use your brow as your guideline to know that you're going towards the right direction and creating that perfect cat-eyed effect. Up next, we're going to be using one of my favorite products, which is the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Vivid Smoky Quartz Espresso. These are one of my favorite cream eyeshadows because it's so beautiful and it's so easy to blend. So I layered it on top of the Makeup Forever Aqua XL with the Stila applicator, and I blended it out into my outer crease, creating a V shape for a more lifted and open eye effect using brush number 38. So when creating a cat eye effect, it's important to always layer your products and layer it to the intensity that you feel most comfortable with. And what I like to do is focus the product on my outer corner and just blending it outward in a V-shaped motion. Once again, using the applicator, I'm applying it on my entire lid, creating that soft V shape, and then blending out with my number 31 brush. Also very important, the way that you hold your brush. Make sure that you're not adding too much pressure because you might move the product and you really want to give it that soft blended effect. Up next, we're going to be using the Sephora Collection Long Lasting Kohl Pencil in 07 Infinite Beige. This pencil is great to really make the eyes pop and give the illusion of a more opened effect. Just lightly glide it into the waterline until you're happy with the saturation and the intensity. Up next, we're going to be using one of my favorite eyeliners, which is the Pat McGrath Labs Permagel Ultra Glide Eye Pencil in Extreme Black, the Ultimate Black. Waterproof and available in a few shades. I'm going to apply this guy on my upper lash line to add definition and depth. After, I'm going to blend it with brush number 15. I'm also going to add it to the bottom lash line to further complete the eyes and connect it to the top. Remember when I said what goes up must come down? We're going to once again use the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, and we're going to apply that guy right under the liner. And I'm going to be using brush number 15 to slightly sweep it under my eyes to add more definition. And the finishing touch, we're going to be using the Dior Show Pump and Volume Mascara in black. Since I do have eyelash extensions on, I won't be adding it on my top lashes. I'll be adding it on my bottom lashes for an open eye effect and finishing touch. So for those of you who can relate, when having eyelash extensions on, we can't really use any oily products or wear mascara. So what I like to do is grab a clean mascara wand and just groom them, make sure that everything's right and in place. So there you have it, guys, a cream cat eye smoky eye. If you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Bye!